Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the reality of PS5 remote play. Here is my PS5 remote controller and my TV is off. So first thing I'm gonna show you my network, how fast is it. Here you go. Okay, this is like a 105 right now, like download speed. Upload speed is also right now at like 153, 154, like around that. Like it's pretty good. Let's turn it on. I showed you my internet speed, but while clicking on the buttons there is some lag in it. Even though my internet connection is like really good, but still there is a lag. So as you guys have seen, like it's a little bit choppy. It's not a best experience, but while you're like on go, you still can play, but your internet connection should be like really good, like really good to play this game. Even though my internet connection is like way better than the Sony's recommendation, but it's still not doing great. This is the reality of PS5 remote play right now. So if you're willing to buy that, like the PS5 recently that introduced the PS5 remote play, like the gadget they are offering, I don't think so. That thing is like worth it right now. Even though with the controller and the screen, Yeah, I would say, guys, just wait few years. I think that thing will be improved. Thank you.